This is TWiT.
This was also the year, and we talked about this on the show many times throughout the year, the transition from Android Auto to assistant driving mode. So the Android Auto phone app experience. This is actually a pretty recent thing, too, because I feel like we've been fielding emails in the last couple of months about this quite frequently. But a lot of people not so happy about the transition, even though Google signaled this quite a while ago, at Google I.O., and then they finally did it. And it's like, it was just another one of those examples of like, why are you replacing something that actually works? It does all these things, something that's full featured with something that's like half the feature. Like, why is it a replacement? Why does it have to be like this, Google? A lot of people not very happy about it.
One of those people was me. For as much as I'm supposed to pay attention to Google News and I do watch Google I.O. things, I did not realize this. And I found this out in the middle of a drive where I was trying to get Android Auto to appear on my phone screen.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't do that. And I have to admit, I was really upset, mostly because, I love Android Auto. I've had it in my last couple of Subarus and I find it invaluable. We have numerous other cars that have their own kind of whatever manufacturer proprietary, driving experiences. And I've always found that Android Auto is actually one of the most consistent, well-featured ones. But the problem with connectivity and Ron, I'm going to steal your wireless Android Auto thing because that's exactly what we need. But I think, sorry, I kind of lost the thread on that because I'm thinking about how I almost did it bad when I found out that they killed the phone screen. But anyway, connectivity is a problem. The just with all the different auto manufacturers and the wire connection that some of us are still using for their Android Auto, this seems like a miss. And I don't mean that because I got scared half to death trying to not look at my phone while trying to get to where I was going. But yeah, I totally agree, especially with kind of the gap for the wired connection and with the wire, it just feels like I don't know. I don't like less. Yeah. I don't like less help when I'm driving. Maybe that's just because I'm a bad driver. But
I don't have a system in my car because my car is from 2008. I do have Bluetooth, but I had a proprietary iPod connector in there. I yanked it out, revealed the aux, and that's how I get music in my car. Yeah. So the Android Auto for the phone screen was absolutely perfect. I had paired it with the Rove Bolt. I thought I had absolutely something perfect going. We also got a Subaru this year. It has Android Auto built into the dash, and that has also been, it's so buggy. Oh God. I'm going to admit this out loud. I had a fight with my husband had to leave the car because I was so pissed off that nothing was working. It was already a bad day. So it was just the last, but it's the last thing that you need sometimes. I'm so stressed out.
Yeah.
Pandemic
I just need
and
you to
everything
work
else.
Technology.
I mean, I'm being serious here. I don't have time for a beta situation, but in all seriousness, I'm really bummed about Android Auto for the phone screen. That's the biggest.
Yeah, it's a big loss.
It is. I'm still using it, by the way. They haven't completely deprecated it yet. I'm not using that Maps Spotify integration. It doesn't even go into dark mode when I want it to. So I have this white light flashing at me.
No good. I'm surprised that you're still using it for phone screens. I didn't realize that you could still be using it. I thought it was all.
Well, I need Maps.
Shut off.
I need Maps and I need Maps and voice commands.
Are you saying that you're still using Android Auto for phone screens, or you're still using the assistant driving mode because that's all that you have?
Yep. Here we go.
Okay. All right. I misunderstood. Okay. Yeah, exactly. We're using it because it's the option that we have. Yeah. It
still
does
works.
the trick. Oh, okay.